The quality goes in before the name goes on. Interior tone level is mild with this Xlerator True Dual Exhaust. Poor Kirky Poo. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. At Rich's, you can pick your sound and your tips before you buy. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. All of our exclusive products are only available in-house. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.